Hello friends, in this video we're going to talk how I used Excel and Sketchup to automate the 3D house. So I have made different sheets where I have inputted the values of footings, the different sizes and the diameter of the rods and the eccentricity and so on. If we need strap beams, we can input the value for them, and the door sizes, windows, and the general information about the house like the type, the number of stories, plinth area and so on. And I've also included the PCC ratio and the RCC ratio of cement and aggregate so that we'll get an approximate result of the cost estimation of the house. And I've also included the site factor, which is quite important because what we calculate in theory is quite different from the site. So you can just put this factor, and I have also inputted the rate of different materials to be used in site and different so you can input the value for soak pit, for staircase. There are different inputs over here, and the rooms, walls and tie beams. And by inputting all these values, you just need to go to this button that shows draw and click on this button. After clicking this button, it will create a computer code to draw the 3D image of a house in Sketchup. Now we'll go to Sketchup, then we'll go to Window and the Ruby console, or if you have Ruby console editor, you can go to this editor. Then we will just press Ctrl V to paste all the codes that we have already got by pressing the draw command. Then it will generate these 6000 lines of code. So after running this code by pressing Ctrl R, then SketchUp will draw the house for you. It will take some time, around okay, it took about 8 seconds to draw this house from Excel file. So it's just a basic prototype of the house where you will get the footings and the tie beams and windows and doors, the sill band and lintel band, and whatever data you have inputted. You'll also get the staircase like this in the required position, and all these are written in layers, so you can just switch on or off the layers to get the desired information. So, and this will also calculate the cost as per the estimate, and it will calculate the quantities as per the local desired in Nepal. Like we usually measure the rods in different bundles, so it will calculate the bundle for rod for different sizes, and it will also calculate the quantities of cement, and it will calculate the truck number required for sand, aggregate and so on. I have not completed this file. Actually this cost only works for the substructure, for superstructure is still to be made. And this is all about it. So if you want to change your house, you can just go to the database or the Excel file and change the data over here, and again press this draw command. Then it will again create the code for SketchUp. Then again go to Ruby consolidator and just press Ctrl V to get this all the codes from Excel, and just press Ctrl R to run the command, and it will get another house. So this is all about it. If you need more information, you can look in the description box below, and thanks for watching.